Welcome to the demo on the Smart Variable Tooltips feature in ZTPFGI. This feature allows you to get multiple levels of information about a more complex variable in a C++ file when a debugger logs a script in a source view. Once you hover your mouse over a variable, a tooltip will appear showing you the current value of the hovered variable. This was the existing functionality, but with the enhancements that's been made to the smart variable tooltips, you can drill down deeper to display multiple levels of values for the hovered variable. This feature said to have a user-friendly design because it uses a nested structure that is similar to a tree view folder structure. Each click of a plus sign in this variable listing provides you the next level of the information. The amount of information that's being displayed depends on the number of levels in the nested structure. The key aspects of this feature is that provides you a convenient tree representation of the variable information in debug mode. The tooltips here are read-only and they are much more readable. This set to significantly improve the debug performance of the system programmers considerably, and it's applicable for C++ files only. How do I access this particular feature is that this feature is said to be of great help, like once the file is locked in a source view and you want to have a complete view of the value information of a more complex structure. And this nested design or the nested structure of this complex variable enables the programmers to gain quick access to all the required information with just few clicks. uh, if you want to view a value of a more complex variable in a C++ file, you can now drill down deeper by clicking on the plus sign. So the plus sign works as normal, the expand and collapse function. So once you click on the plus sign, it pushes out, or the list expands to show you the next level of the information that's applicable for this variable. So if it again carries a plus sign, then it indicates that it has some deeper information, which you can click on this plus sign if you want to view the information. You can click on this minus sign so to collapse the list. So it's your preference. um, this feature will definitely be of great help to the programmers, because it arranges the values of this complex variables in a much organized way. Now let's actually move on to the demo of this particular feature. That is, you should have your source file already loaded to your connected test system, and you could see, like, I already have loaded my source file, that is a C++ file in my abdu in my system. And I'm going to now lock it in source view trace. So it's locked. I'm removing the other files. So now let's proceed with let's run the program. Create an ECB. It's waiting for the host. I don't want any watches as of now, so I'm just closing all that. So here we are. So to have a better picture, let me click this again. So here we are. So I've opened this ECB. So now let's run to trace line by line. So you could see, like, until I come to wtopsy, I'm going to continue running this file. So because only at that stage I'm going to assign the values to these variables. Until even now we could see, if once I hover a mouse, the structure will be there, but no values will be mapped to it. So only once we reach that stage it will be mapped, but you could still, only the structure is there. Next is structure. Okay, here we are. So now once I hover my mouse to this structure variable, I know it's in variable, so as you click on this, you could see that values. So I can click on this plus sign if I want to expand this list, or just click on this minus again to collapse the list. So this is as much, I mean, as simple as that. So let me go with, okay, another variable. So you could see once I hover the mouse over here, takes some time, but I know I have assigned a variable, so you can drill down deeper. So this particular, even here, when you go to this primary, you can still see values, still see structures. So you can drill down as to, based on the amount of information that's been available, you can drill down that much deeper to view the complete value information of the select variable in the C++ file. That's all about smart variable tooltips. Thank you.